सदैव खुश रहो। दिस इज JBN डॉक्टर ब्रजराज सिंह चौहान, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ FEM, प्रोग्राम BSc B.Ed PCM, 5th सेम, course multivariate calculus and vector differentiation, and session of today is beta function. So the first and second Eulerian integral are known as the beta and gamma function respectively. These integrals plays very important part of the definite integral and have got wide application in physics and many other applied sciences. So beta function is a definition of beta function is a function. Beta function is denoted by beta mn and read as beta mn is equal to 0 to 1 x to the power m minus 1 1 minus x to the power n minus 1 dx, where m and n is the positive numbers, may be integral or fraction. सो बीटा फंक्शन एक प्रकार का डेफिनिट इंटीग्रल है जो पर्टिकुलर फॉर्म में हम उसको रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं। बीटा mn इज इक्वल टू 0 to 1 x to the power m minus 1 1 minus x to the power n minus 1 dx. This is the definition of beta function. Here there is some numerical problem of beta function is given here. 0 to 1 x to the power 3 upon 1 minus x to the power 7 dx. Second problem is 0 to 1 x to the power m 1 minus x square m dx. So integration I is equal to 0 to 1 x cube upon under root 1 minus x 7 dx. This can be expressed as 0 to 1 x cube 1 minus x 7 to the power minus 1 by 2 dx. So integration is I is equal to 0 to 1 x to the power minus 3 into x to the power 6. X cube can be expressed as x to the power minus 3 and x to the power 6 multiplied, and after multiplying x to the power 6 into x to the power minus 3, it is x cube. So x cube is split in two terms. It is because here there is some substitution, that will be x to the power 7 is equal to y. Then after differentiation, 7x to the power 6 dx is equal to dy. Putting these value in this equation, we get integration I is equal to 1 upon 7 0 to 1 y to the power minus 3y 7 1 minus y to the power minus 1 by 2 dy is equal to 1 by 7 0 to 1 y to the power 4 by 7 minus 1 1 minus y to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 dy. These exponent is written into the form of this equation. Minus 3y7 is expressed as 4y7 minus 1, and minus 1y2 is expressed as 1y2 minus 1. So it is the proper form of the beta function, and by comparing the formula of beta function, beta mn is equal to 0 to 1 limit x to the power m minus 1 1 minus x to the power n minus 1 dx. If function x is converted into the y, then it becomes y to the power m minus 1 and 1 minus y to the power n minus 1. So comparing this with the formula beta mn, m is equal to 4y7 and n is equal to 1 by 2, and coefficient out of integration is 1 by 7, so it is written as 1 by 7 beta 4 by 7 and 1 by 2. This is the solution of this problem. Next problem is 0 to 1 x to the power m 1 minus x square to the power m dx. our objective is to convert this expression into the able to compare the beta mn function. Beta mn is equal to 0 to 1 x to the power m minus 1 minus x to the power n minus dx. So putting in this equation x to the power 2 is equal to y, then 2x dx is equal to dy. After substitution we get 1 by 2 outside the integration, 0 to 1 y to the power m minus 1 by 2, 1 minus y to the power n dy, and again 1 by 2, 0 to 1 y to the power m plus 1 by 2 minus 1, in bracket 1 minus y to the power n plus 1 minus 1 dy. Now this equation is able to compare with the formula of beta mn. Beta mn is equal to 0 to 1 limit y to the power m minus 1, 1 minus y to the power n minus 1. So comparing this formula, we get at the place of m plus 1 by 2, and at the place of n it gives n plus 1. So formula is 1 by 2 beta m plus 1 by 2 comma n plus 1. This is the value of this problem. Next problem is evaluate 0 to 1 x to the power 4 1 minus x to the power 3 dx. Again this expression is converted into the form of beta mn. Beta mn is equal to 0 to 1 x to the power m minus 1 minus x to the power n minus 1 dx. So it is 0 to 1 x to the power 4. X to the power 4 can be written as 5 minus 1 x to the power 5 minus 1, and 1 minus x whole cube. It is also expressed in another manner, 1 minus x to the power 4 minus 1. So by comparing the beta mn is equal to 0 to 1 x to the power m minus 1 minus x to the power n minus 1. So at the place of m is 5, at the place of n is 4, then it is beta 5 4. Beta 5 4 convert into the gamma form. Beta mn is equal to gamma n upon 2 gamma m plus n is equal to gamma n upon gamma m plus n. So gamma 5 is equal to factorial 4, gamma 4 is equal to factorial 3, and gamma 5 plus 4, that is gamma 9, it is factorial 8. So expand the all factorial function, we got the value 1 upon 20. This is the value of this problem, solution of this problem. I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you very much. See you.